Okay. Yeah, friends, welcome to Change Makers over a cup of tea. No? Today we are interacting with Ross, Alfin Job, Safwan, and Abhinav Krishna, I think. Okay, friends, come back. That we are living in the 21st century. Is it so? Which century we are living? You are the children of 21st century. What about the curriculum? We are following a curriculum of 18th century. Sorry, 19th century, maybe. 19th century curriculum we are following. In India, we are very much back comparing to other nations. Internationally, the COVID pandemic happened in every country, not only in India. Yes. And we are following the curriculum of which century? Which century? Which century? We are the children of 21st century. I am a student. Even as a principal, I am the student of 21st century classroom. 21st century learning environment. Yeah. I'm a student of 21st century learning environment. And our curriculum is which century? 18th century. And we have a mindset among the teachers, students, parents, and the people. We have a mindset of 17th century or 18th century. We are the children of 21st century. And we are following a curriculum of 19th century. We have a mindset of 18th century. 18th century. Not my word. A celebrity educator, that T.P. Srinivasan, no? He's an ambassador. He wrote a book. It's called Ambassador of Education. Now he's in Kuwait. He's interacted in one of our sessions. He told like that. But actually, we have to follow 21st century curriculum and 21st century mindset. Here, the people will be positive. Will be positive means always smiley, always happy. That's why we are following a happiness curriculum and school to be a happiness accredited school under the World School Alliance, a network of schools, an umbrella organization of research in education. It's called Chamber of Education, and the World School Alliance put forward a plan. We also applied for that to make our school to be declared accredited as the happiness school. The children will be happy, parents will be happy, teachers are called parent happiness coach, and principal, not principal, your chief servant or a knowledge architect of the school will be happy always. Of course, first we have to happy. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, once he visited in Kerala. No, that time I am also attended along with other principals, where he teaches, a child should be happy, then only the parents will be happy. If the child and parents are happy, then our home will be happy. If our home will be happy, then our neighborhood, surrounding will be happy, our village will be happy, then the entire nation will be happy, and the entire world. If a nation is happy, entire world will be happy. Do you know about Kunjuni Master? Kunjuni Master? Safwan?
Yes.
Kunjuni Master ഒരു കവിതയെല്ലാം പറ്റുമോ?
I don't know.
You don't know any poem? Rose? ആ വരുന്നൊരാന, ഈ വരുന്നൊരീച്ച, ആനക്കുണ്ടോ പേടി, ഈച്ചക്കുണ്ടോ പേടി, രണ്ടിനുമില്ല പേടി. Do you know? There comes an elephant. Here comes an ant. Ant is small but beautiful, no? ആനക്കുണ്ടോ പേടി, ഈച്ചക്കുണ്ടോ പേടി. Each, no? Not ant. A butterfly comes, no? There comes an elephant.
I know one.
Then you just recite one poem.
ഹായ് ടായ് മിഠായി തിന്നപ്പോൾ ഇഷ്ടായി തിന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ കഷ്ടായി.
ഹായ് ചായ് മിഠായി തിന്നുമ്പോഴും ഇഷ്ടായി തിന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞ കഷ്ടായി. കല്യാണം കഴിക്കുന്നതിന് മുമ്പേ ഭാര്യയും ഭർത്താക്കന്മാരൊക്കെ അങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു. ഞാനും ഐ മാരീഡ് മൈ വൈഫ്. യു ക്യാൻ ഓൾസോ മാരി. കല്യാണം കഴിക്കാൻ ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമായിരിക്കും അല്ലേ? യു ആസ്ക് യുവർ പാരന്റ്. ഹായ് ചായ് മിഠായി തിന്നുമ്പോഴും ഇഷ്ടായി. കല്യാണം കഴിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമായിരിക്കും. ഞാൻ തിന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാലോ അടിപിടിയായിരിക്കും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് you know my tree, an apple tree. One day apple fell down on my head. You see that video? You see Toto Chan and Isaac Newton meet under this tree. You know this tree? Fruit. You know which tree? This is chiku. I planted this tree near to my house. You know the name of my house? You know the name of my house? Yeah?
Knowledge berries.
My house is not a paradise. It's a hut. Green hut, no? Word full of green. Today, we have an apple here. An apple today keeps Newton alive. Like we have an apple. Apple already fell down, no? You know this fruit? Fruit? Yellow in color. Very tasty. You seen?
മുട്ടപ്പഴം.
Oh, that's egg fruit. Egg fruit. It's natural one. If you are eating now, it's very tasty. Do you have made any shake for this? Juice shake? Using egg fruit? Egg is not only from the hen, but also from the trees also. Egg fruit. It's yellow in color. Beautiful. It's very tasty, no? Like, beautiful. And here it's full of trees. I have a small forest also nearby. Just like Robert Frost travel in the forest, I have a forest also. Usually I'm sitting, I wrote, today morning I wrote an article to my family to send. I spent more than 1 hour sit under the tree and that flow of writing. Today I posted it my family group about the greeting challenge that we are meeting. Every morning we have to do greeting. That is called woods, my forest. You see there is a sun. Why we changed the time from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock? Means we have to enjoy the sun first. Then after we have to come. Me and my wife made a research on it. Screen-free parenting, no? Not COVID time before that. We conduct a lot of workshops. So that we are studying this one. You see the sun? Sun? Yeah. Here are a lot of things. It's not a letterbox. My another tree. This is not a letterbox. What is it? Usually I'm putting, my daughter is putting her food, milk, whatever it is on a plate now. Before eating the food, not the waste food, before eating food, a small portion my daughter is taking. My daughter Ashley Crow, no? She is taking a small portion and put it on this. Then the squirrel comes, birds comes. Then that is the bird's watch. You have to watch the bird. We don't need to visit a zoo to watch these animals, no? It's a natural watch. It's called bird watch. It's a bird watch umbrella. This tree is a bird watch umbrella. The trees will come. They will sit here and they will drink also. A cup of water and another bowl is full of food, milk. When the squirrel comes, cat comes, birds come. Actually, it's a school for them. They are interacting each other. I am also interacting with them. I have to study. We have to study. My daughter is always like, and we have a well. The well is full of fish now. Okay. Well, full of fish. And so, my daughter always look into the fish to see. Okay. Now we are going to wind up. The time is over, I think so. Who is the timer today? Who is the timer? Abhinav. Okay, Rose, Alvin Job, Abhinav, and Safwan. Okay, friends, today I am giving you one of the challenges. It's called video challenge or audio challenge. What are the lessons our teachers are taking for us? Or what are the lessons we have to do? You have to take a minimum of, not minimum, maximum of 3 minutes. You take a video or audio, up to your choice. It's called video challenge or audio challenge. We will assess that one and we will be uploaded in the YouTube. And you can also watch, and our friends, teachers, anywhere from the globe, they can watch and they will feel a comment. Now you are becoming a teacher, not a student. When we are teaching something, we have to learn. Like Shakespeare once told, those who know things will do, others will teach. These are not good. If I'm not a good teacher to teach something, but I'm a learner. A teacher should be a lifelong learner. A teacher should be a lifelong learner. Like that, you can become a teacher to learn something. That is the great magic. You can become a teacher to learn something. When you are teaching, you will learn something, you know. You can select a portion and maximum it will be 3 minutes. Okay, from that you can make beautifully, you can make. Today itself I will upload in the YouTube, our official channel, that Al-Azhar Knowledge Paradise, where we can enjoy. Are you ready to take this challenge?
Yes.
Yeah, the challenge is called in assessment. My friend Shia yesterday called. You know that sun, the beauty of sun? Yeah, sun is already reached and blessed us. Okay, no need to spend much more time here. We have to enjoy this nature. We are blissful. Okay, today I wrote an article to my family group to send it. Now, where I mention all these things. We are the luckiest people. We are the most luckiest people in the world. No? Every time we have to say thanks to God Almighty. My God is Allah. Maybe your God is Krishna or Jesus Christ or Sri Buddha, whatever it is. God is love. God is knowledge. But they are almighty, and we have to say thanks, gratitude to the God. It's called, in psychologically, that is called the attitude of gratitude. Those who have not IQ, not EQ, not RQ, but if you have a gratitude, it's called, if you have an attitude of gratitude, then we can learn. Another things I'm telling, coming Wednesday, 10:30, we have a career excellence program. Sahodaya School Complex is organizing that one. New Generation Sahodaya School Complex, and also World School Alliance and the Chamber of Education. Both they are organizing. Is a joint event. That ID will be different and password will be different. I will send you, where you can meet the people of great people in the world, those who made revolution. Those who completed 10th or 12th, they can also join. Okay. Is it okay? Where is the placard of time up? Time up. Rose? Okay. Are you ready to take this challenge, video challenge or audio challenge? Maybe you can prefer video or audio. It's a part of our internal assessment. Whether the child knows things or what are their quality, we will assess. Okay. It's called video challenge or audio challenge. Okay. Yesterday, the research director of Chamber of Education, that Shias Mohammed, he observing our program, he suggested this one will be a great remarkable things. Okay. I'm going to my forest. The forest is there, you know, you can see. Yeah. Robert Frost told like, woods are lovely, dark and deep, but we have promises to keep. Miles to go before we sleep and miles to go before we learn. This, and this is my house, a small beautiful house, and that is closer to a forest. And after the forest, there is a paddy field. It's full of cultivation. Agriculture is the base of all the culture. My father, mother, my wife, even she's a doctor, she loves agriculture. And my mother's father, also a great agriculture, very much interested in my wife. Father, he's a retired teacher, but she loves agriculture, even the paddy. It's full of, you can see. That's why I called my house as it's not a palace, it's a green hut. It's a paradise of nature or green paradise. It's called green hut. Hut means small. Small is beautiful and beautiful is always good. Beautiful is good, no? That is called less is more. I don't want more cash. Whatever the less things, if I am getting more salary, I will work for more. If I getting less salary, I will work very less. That concept is not good. Even I believe that less is more. That is a magical concept, management concept. Magical concept is a psychological statement. Okay. Do you know it's full of plants here? One day I will teach you in my forest near to Calicut University, near to Calicut Airport. There is a more than 6-acre land. One of my friend Mustafa, he made it a project. It's an artificial forest. It's called Green Ara. Green Ara. That is the name. 6-acre land is full of. He made it an artificial forest. It's beautiful. Okay, one day I will show you the things. Okay, fine. Do you have a forest, Rose, at your home?
No.
You can think about it. We can make a forest yard at home. Even the city we can prepare. This is called in Japanese model is there. Yeah. I'm entering to my forest. It's my beautiful, lovely forest. When I'm entering this forest, usually I'm singing that song. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. Miles to go. You know the sunrise through the forest. It's beautiful. No?
Yeah.
Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but we have promises to keep. Miles to go before we sleep. Those who are sleeping at home, come and join this program. It's open to all. Anywhere from the globe, you can reach this one. Miles to go before we sleep, and miles to go before we learn. Okay. You know the beauty of forest? No animal here in the forest, no? It's full of trees. It's my own land, my own trees, but the land is from the God Almighty, and trees also from the God. I'm enjoying this one. No need to cut a tree. We have to preserve this nature. It's called save the nature and pave the future. That's why it's called, there's a slogan, back to future and back to nature. We have to be back to nature. No need for the concrete houses. Which house you like to build? Small house or big house? Rose?
Medium.
Medium. That means?
Medium.
That is, we will cut all the trees and we will make a big concrete house. You know, in Kerala, witnessed 2 times the flood, the disaster. No, that time, those who are in the big house, they're terrible. They are because they are afraid to be back to the rehabilitation camps because there are so many material belongings to them, fridge, TV, air condition, lot of things are there. But even if it is a small, like Khalifa Umar, like our Jesus Christ, like the Sri Buddha, like Lord Krishna, no, they live simple. The knowledge people will be simple like that. Other peoples have hypocrisy, jealousy. Yeah.
Mm.
You know, you've seen that good people and bad people are there. Bad people, you know, they will make big house. Always they are looking to others' house. Oh, they have a car. They have a Benz. They have big house. Then we have to make like that. Even we don't have that much cash in my pocket. When the parents have, doesn't have. When they are taking loan. Loan? You know loan?
Yes.
From the bank we are taking loan. Yeah, that's why. Why we are making leads? We are not the human beings. We are human becoming. Whenever we are perfect, like an animals, you know, no cat in the world not committed a suicide. No elephant not committed a suicide. Elephant didn't got an opportunity to look his face. There is no mirror. They didn't went to a school. That's why they are very simple. Otherwise, one day, elephant got a mirror, then he will know that he is the gigantic animal, biggest animal in the world. And he will start war, start shooting.